Hello everybody, welcome to my video about how to start editing on Powtoon to make a video resume. So the first thing that you should do is go to powtoon.com to sign up for an account, then choose a video resume or click on the blank Powtoon button to start a new one. So as you can see, I am already on Powtoon and I am doing my video resume. However, you can choose whatever you want to do because Powtoon give you the opportunity to create it, and they already have some slides ready so you can use it. But because I like to creating things from myself, I am creating my only slide video on Powtoon. So as you can see, I'm wearing here on Powtoon, and I can start blanket slide. I did already, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach you how to add some pictures and how to add some music in and how to create a slide video on Powtoon. So today I'm working with my work history. So I'm gonna add in my work history and how I do that. How I do that. I am going to add some text. So first thing is add title. And the title is work history. Let's do it. And now, oops, I am adding on subtitle. The subtitle is Dual Language Immersion Portuguese Teacher. Yeah. Portuguese, sorry, I wrote wrong. I'm gonna correct. Thank you. That's great. Now I did it right. So now I'm adding body text. In this body text, I'm gonna just say what I did is a Portuguese to allow language immersion teacher. So I'm gonna choose that I taught lesson in reading, write, math, science, and social study in Portuguese language. So just add your text, exactly what you want to do, what I want to say and explain. You can use this to teach students and science class, whatever you want to, just creating, just be creative, have some creativity. Writing, math, math, science, and social study in Portuguese language. Just a moment. Yes. Portuguese language. I will show you now how to add some pictures. So I go to the bar and look for images. I will upload some image in Powtoon, but if you don't have your own image, you can add some image from your computer. I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So add image, go upload, and find the pictures that you like. I want that I like, so I'm gonna choose this one. Just waiting for the technology works. So I'm gonna make this picture smaller, so there is no like secret to do it. Just you do it as you can do it. Like I'm teaching you how to do. You can create bigger, bigger or smaller. I like a small picture because Powtoon you can add a lot of image if you like. So I'm putting something like this so you can see me here. Yes. So the next step is add some music. So I go in again for this bar here, look for song. In Powtoon, they have lots different kind of music. Some of them you need to pay, and I don't like to pay. So I'm adding the only music that I like it. I already went to YouTube and I choose Ballerina. I like this song. It's calm. It's pretty good. So just wait for the technology works again. It's taking a little bit longer, but you can do it. Yes, I'm gonna show you the beautiful music. Yeah, this one I choose. I like it. So I did show you how to add some pictures, add text, and add music. Okay, now that we gotta do how we want then for now, let's do a text. Um, I don't remember the word in English, but um, I'm gonna finish it because I'm not gonna finish my resume right now, but I'm still going to add some text and I'm gonna add a title say thank you. So now let's do a text run. We start from the first resume and see how it's worked. Good, good enough. My work history and how to finalize. Thanks. It's gonna take long because I didn't write a lot of stuff. Now you can see the thank you here. Well, this is everything that I wanted to show you. So that is one introduction how to use Powtoon. I hope you like it and please leave me a comment or question if you have one. Thank you.